Hey y'all, welcome to Craftable Things. I'm Patrice, and you're probably sick and tired of being sick and tired of me unboxing things. Well, today's no different. We are going to be unboxing this Pro Easy mug press machine that Vevor sent to me to review and test out. All right, y'all. So we are about to unbox this machine, but before we unbox it, make sure to like this video and also make sure to hit that subscribe button and head over to Facebook and join the Craftable Things group on Facebook. We would love to have you there. But we are about to unbox this mug press from Vevor. I recently unboxed the 15 by 15 heat press and I absolutely love it, and it gets the job done. So I'm really impressed, and I'm excited about trying out another one of Vevor's machines. I do want you guys to know that Vevor sent me 2 of these machines, and so I will be giving one away in honor of our 2-year anniversary. And all you have to do is, well, never mind. I'll let y'all know about that at the end of the video.
So now we're ready to unbox the Pro Easy Mug Press Machine by Vevor. And this presses mugs up to 15 ounces. So if you want to try to do tumblers that are 20 ounces or larger, you can, but you have to do a lot of manipulation to get that done. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box, and it's fairly simple. It's just the mug press and a cord inside of the box, along with those instructions that you want to make sure you read. And it's really a plug and go process. Like, you don't have to do too much to it. And this is the sensor. So this particular mug press doesn't have a plate at the bottom. It has a sensor, so when you put your mug in, it automatically closes. It can sense that there's something inside, and also it automatically opens when it is done. Of course, you have your button at the top, and then you have the light at the top. Those are your sensor lights to let you know how hot your mug press is getting and how much longer you have to go. So now we are going to just get ready and print out a basic design that I have, and I'm just printing it out from Adobe Illustrator, and these are my print instructions that I'm using, or my print settings. So I'm printing on plain paper. I'm going to choose best quality, and then I'm also going to make sure I mirror it, and I am going to select Adobe RGB and 2.2 gamma. Today I am printing it out on an Epson EcoTank 2750, and I am using a sublimation paper along with my ink, dynamic ink, which can be found inside of my Etsy shop. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this wrapped up. I've turned it on. Of course, I'm going to clean the mug because y'all, I'm not going to tell you how many times I've messed mugs up because I was in a rush and it looked like it didn't need to be cleaned. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and cut this out, and I'm going to be placing this image on both sides of our mug today to see how it presses. I want to make sure that this image is nice and tight and secure on our mug, so I will be taping this down with some heat tape, and I am taping those edges because I don't want any air to get underneath our image. That usually causes some type of ghosting or discoloration, and I really want to prevent that. And so I'm just going to go ahead and tape these edges down, and as I'm taping, I am actually using my thumb to kind of push the image to remove any air that might be underneath. And I'm going to do this on both sides. So after I'm done doing it on both sides, I'm going to get a piece of butcher paper, and I'm going to wrap that around the mug because I don't want that to mess up my plate. And so I actually forgot to show me putting it inside or recording it, but y'all, we went ahead and we pressed our mug, and this is what it looks like. That ink is definitely showing through that sublimation paper, so I'm super happy that I had that butcher paper around it. Alright, and so you can adjust the temperature and time for this mug press. I haven't done that yet. I'm using the factory settings, so I haven't tried it, but honestly, these colors look really good. This mug looks like it turned out amazing so far. So let's go ahead and look at the other side and see if we had success there also. I would note, like, making sure that you have your mug in there nicely before you put it in, or kind of position it correctly as you put it in. so that it is in there evenly, like it's getting a nice amount of heat evenly. All right, so yep, took a while to take that tape off, but at least you know this tape, it really sticks. So okay, this looks really good. I love how it turned out. Everything looks great. So if you are interested, a link will be listed below for this mug press, and I am going to turn the mug press on so you can kind of see how it goes, you know, how once you turn it on and off, it opens and closes on its own. You don't have to really manually do anything except manually put this in. All right, so everything looks good, and I'm really happy with how this mug turned out.
Okay, y'all, so we're all done with unboxing this Pro Easy mug press by Vevor, and just like the 15 by 15 heat press I tried a few weeks ago, I am impressed with this mug press. I love the fact that it is automatic and it has that sensor in it, so you don't really have to close it, and when it's done it automatically opens up. So I really like that. And also they do have in their instructions where you can adjust the time and temps. So they are, you know, very detailed with the instructions. So if you need to adjust the time and temp, you can. But for me, I just plugged this in, put it through, and it subbed beautifully. Like no issues. So their default settings work great for sublimation. So I am impressed. If you are interested in getting this mug press, a link will be listed below in the description in case you want to check it out. But y'all, so they sent me two, and I'm super excited about that and grateful. So thank you, Vevor, for not only sending me this mug press to test out, but also the other one that you're allowing me to give away to one of my subscribers. So if you are interested in getting this mug press, there's going to be a few things that you have to do. But before we get into that, I do want you to know that this is only for US residents only. I'm so sorry. You also have to be subscribed to this channel, and this giveaway is not affiliated with anyone. No one. No Google, no YouTube, no Facebook, no nobody. It's just us. So go ahead, make sure you're subscribed. But for an entry, you have to head over to the No Name, No Shame podcast. And some of you may know or may not know, but that is a new channel that I recently started. So you'll have to head over there, and on the video of sublimating on 100% cotton, you need to leave a comment. And the comment that you have to leave, you don't have to say anything else except craftable. That is it. That is your entry into the giveaway. We will be making the announcement for the winner on Tuesday, July 12th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time during Crafty Talk Tuesday. So good luck. Please head over to the No Name, No Shame podcast. You must be subscribed. And I'm super excited about being able to give something back to you all. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, I know we talked about it at the beginning, but I'm going to mention it again now. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Also, head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and check me out there too. Craftable things. I would love to see you everywhere. But that's going to be it for today, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.